Hello, my name is Rebecca Harris, and I conducted my internship with the Brunswick Wellness Coalition located in Southport, North Carolina. For my capstone project, I researched and designed a comprehensive policy initiative that will be used within the food pantries of Brunswick County. I have entitled it Raising Shelf Esteem, because who can resist a good pun? This project is a hybrid type, but closely aligned with the evaluation type assignment, which I used as a basis for my capstone paper and this presentation. I began my project with a question: how can I help the food pantries in Brunswick County evolve into the best pantries for their respective communities? After meeting with members of the Brunswick Wellness Coalition's Food Access Committee in March, we recognized 4 areas of need that should be addressed to establish uniformity across the food pantries. These 4 areas are: Part 1, establishing a healthy food pantry; Part 2, food safety; Part 3, increasing the community's awareness of the food pantries; and finally, Part 4, ensuring weather-safe foods. In order to achieve the goals of each of these areas, I researched the benefits of choosing healthier options such as low-sodium, low-sugar items, and fresh local produce to establish a healthy food pantry. I also recommended the frequent evaluation of food labels, expiration dates, employee and volunteer hygiene standards, and the importance of site cleanliness to assist in maintaining food safety. In order to increase food pantry awareness with the community, I suggested the use of local food drives, local media, social media, and the creation of updated websites for each food pantry facility. Finally, I highlighted the importance of ensuring foods stored in food pantry facilities within Brunswick County were weather safe and could withstand extreme weather conditions, such as hurricanes. This policy will be enforced in the food pantries after my internship ends and will be evaluated to determine areas of improvement. The policy will be incorporated in its entirety at the beginning of summer 2021. This policy is merely the beginning of the Brunswick Wellness Coalition's mission to ensure excellence in the Brunswick County food pantries, and I am honored to have been a part of that. I thank you very much for your time, for listening, and I look forward to your comments on my project. Thank you.